Daily port equipment inspections form the foundation of actionable maintenance data. But the paper forms used to record the details have a lot of issues and can lead to losing critical maintenance data. Why are we still using paper when everything else has gone digital? Konecranes CheckApp is a mobile application that works across any port crane, across any brand. It has a standard list of checkpoints, but admin users can also create and manage custom checklists. The app also allows users to make text, photo, or video notes. Once the inspection or maintenance is completed and recorded on their phone, it is automatically stored on your own fleet dashboard at your Konecranes or fetchable through an API to your systems, where the results are viewable in real time. Here, results are automatically flagged if something requires attention, and you can also view the summary to identify problematic assets or safety procedures. Productivity, efficiency, and compliance have never been quicker or easier than with the Port Cranes CheckApp. Contact Konecranes today.